In this video, I will show how to convert Google Sheets to Microsoft Excel using Google Drive. So, open your Microsoft, open your Google Sheets. Now click on File, Download, and select Microsoft Excel. Now open it. So this is the way you can, without Google Drive, you can convert your Google Sheets to Microsoft Excel, and using Google Drive, firstly download your Google Sheets to Google Drive. Right click on it, move cursor to download, open Google Sheet file on your Google Drive. Now here click on File, move cursor to download, and select Microsoft Excel. Then open it. Click on Enable Editing if you want to edit something here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.